Today we have a fantastic project lined up for you. We'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and practical tree ring using mulch. This easy to follow tutorial will not only enhance the aesthetics of your garden, but also provide numerous benefits to your trees. So let's jump right in, okay? Okay, first we need to gather some materials. First thing that we need is mulch. Then we need measure tape, okay? Gloves, shovel, rake, and a canop. We need to measure approximate diameter of our mulch area. So around 40 centimeters will be okay. We will use this thin rope. We will make that around the tree and around the shovel. So we will make the perfect circle, you know. This is the 40 centimeter measure. Okay. So this is going to approximate 40 centimeters length. So this, we are going to move to the next step. Okay, grab a shovel. Okay, so we marked our area for mulch, and the next step is to remove the grass from selected area and pull it out. Next thing is to use our rake and remove this remaining grass. You can use wheelbarrow or something for taking out the grass. I'll use this. We need to take care of the roots, so we don't need to dig in a lot of deep. So carefully around the plant. So we're gonna make sure that we don't damage it. Okay, next step is to level this area. Next step is to use weed killer. This will prevent the weed from growing from the down. So I'm gonna do like this everywhere around. Okay. And the next thing is mulch. Okay, next step is to cover this area that we dig with mulch, and we'll see how it will look. Here is the mulch. Scissors. Okay. I picked the yellow. We will add a little bit more around the tree, the same plant. Creating a tree ring with mulch is a simple and effective way to enhance the beauty of your garden while promoting the health of your trees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.